Hi, I'm going to show you how to add your mobile app link to your agent's site on KW Command. So let's hop into Command. At the main screen, we are going to select Consumer at the bottom left. We're going to go to the right and click on Create a New Page. We're going to stay right here on my agent's site and we're going to click Create a Page. The very first thing we're going to do is on the upper left-hand corner, we're going to name the page. I like to call it Search on the Go. You can name it Mobile App, Search Homes, whatever you want to name it. So let's go on the right. Normally there's a widget there for video, but I don't see it, so we're going to have to compromise. Let's go down to Content Blocks. We're going to grab a text box and drop it to the left. Then we're going to click on Widgets over here on the right. Click on Widgets. Click on Download My App and drop it underneath the text box. I'm going to leave that there. Then you're going to go up top and you're going to click on your plus sign here to open up a new tab in your web browser. And you're going to go to youtube.com. I'm already there, so I'm just going to hop here. You're going to type this in your browser, the KW app so much more than search. When it searches, you're going to see the first video that has the 3 cell phones. That's the video we want, so we're going to click on it, open it up. I'm going to pause it so you don't hear it. Normally, if there was a video widget over here and we did use it, we would normally click on and copy this URL up top. But since there is not there, we're going to copy the code. So underneath the video, we're going to click on Share. We're going to click on Embed. And then we're going to click on Copy. So let's click on Copy. Now we're going to go back to Command. So we're going to click on this Command tab to go back to Command. We are going to double click in this text box. So see underneath the text box, there's nothing there. There's nothing here. When I double click, you're going to see bold, italicized, and all this other stuff. So that means your cursor is inside of the text box. Now we want to get rid of that insert your text, so I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to, right click, and I'm going to click on paste. We're not going to click enter or click anywhere else. We're going to stay here. We're going to click the home button on your computer keyboard. So click home. This will bring the cursor to the front of the line right here. What we're going to do is we're going to type in open bracket. We're going to type the word center, C-E-N-T-E-R, and close bracket. Then we're going to click on the end, E-N-D button on your keyboard to go to the end of the line. So the cursor is now at the end. We're going to do the same thing. Open bracket, but we're going to put in a backslash, and then the word center again, and then close bracket. Sometimes if you click up here, the video will come up, but it does not. So let's see, it should be added in afterwards. If it doesn't show up, don't worry about it. We're going to go, I'm going to show you, if I click on Configure Widgets, it's going to say this widget cannot be configured. Now, I did that purposely because I wanted to show you, because you're probably going to encounter this when you're doing it, and you're going to wonder what the heck you did, or what did you do wrong, and how do you fix it. So if you look on the left, the text box has a blue square around it. That means we're trying to configure that, but it's not a widget, so it can't configure it. So what we have to do is put our cursor down here where it says download the KW app. We're going to click in that box, so that way that box is highlighted, has the blue box around it. So now on the right side, you can configure this widget because it is a widget. So headline, download the KW app. I'm just going to change the to my, and the same thing here for the button text. I'm going to put my as well. You can change the subtext right here. There is 280 characters, so just make sure you're within that. Let's click on Save and Apply. The video still doesn't show up, but hopefully it will show up when we pull it up on our website. So we're going to click on Save Changes in the upper right-hand corner. Then we're going to click Yes. Now we're at the agent site pages. We're at the agent site pages. On the bottom left, we're going to click on Add Page. We're going to click on Search on the Go and click on Continue. Page title. This is what your clients are going to see when they go to your website and they click on that drop down menu and they want to know, hey, if I click on this, it's going to bring me to their site. Not their site, their mobile app. What do you want to say? So I'm going to just put in the search on the go so I'm consistent. And then the URL slug, I'm going to do the same thing. Just remember for the slug, you cannot put any spaces or special characters. So you can't put any hashtags or exclamation points or anything like that. I'm going to just put in search for homes in Westchester. Search for homes all across the United States. I'm just going to leave that for now. You can always go back to this agent site pages and you can always edit your SEO description. Let's click on save. And now let's see how it looks on the site if it did take that video. So we're going to click on agent site pages in the upper left hand side right here. Then we're going to click on our URL, which is right here. So our agent site, click on it. And click on the drop down. Here's search on the go. Oh, there's our video. Yay! Okay, so we got our video. We got our download my app. If they click on download my app, it will bring them to this page that tells them how to download your app and everything. So that is how you add your mobile app link to your agent website.